and Maggie are very good friends. Maggie has just come from the US.
Oh, Sheena, it is very hot and humid here. Is it always like this?
No, Maggie, this is the summer season, and that is why it is so hot. Come, let us have an ice candy. I'm sure you will feel better. Uncle, please give 2 ice candies.
It's good.
Yes, it's my favorite.
The ice candy seller looks at the dollar and says,
What is this? This is not money.
What? I'm giving him $1 and he's saying this is not money?
Wait, Uncle, how much do we need to pay?
20 rupees.
Maggie, he probably does not know what $1 is.
Rupees. What's a rupee?
A rupee is just like $1.
And what about pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters?
Yes, we have paise.
This is interesting. Tell me more about it.
Sure, let's go home and we will compare our currencies. Every country uses money in different forms. These forms are called currencies. For example, in the USA, you have dollars, and in India, we have rupees.
Like Germans use euro and pound is used in England.
Paisa is the smallest unit of Indian currency. Earlier, we used to have various denominations of paisa, but now only 50 paise coin is in circulation. The smaller denominations of 1, 2, 3 and 5 paise were withdrawn from circulation long ago. But the 25 paise coin was withdrawn on 30th of June 2011. After the withdrawal of 25 paise coin, 50 paise coin is the smallest unit of Indian money. Paisa is only found in the form of coins.
In the US, the smallest unit of money is a penny.
Yes, and how many pennies make $1?
100 pennies.
Similarly, 100 paise make 1 rupee.
Wow, I got it. That means paisa is the smallest unit and 100 times 1 paisa is equal to 1 rupee.
Therefore, we can say that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now let us learn how to convert rupees into paise and vice versa. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the number of rupees by 100 paise. For example, rupees 15 is equal to 15 multiplied by 100 paise is equal to 1500 paise. 178.65 rupees is equal to 178.65 multiplied by 100 paise is equal to 17,865 paise. To convert paise into rupees, divide the number of paise by 100. For example, 1500 paise is equal to 1500 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 15. 17,865 paise is equal to 17,865 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 178.65. Money is the medium of exchange in the form of coins and banknotes. Every country has its own currency. Rupees and paise are the 2 forms of Indian money. A 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. When we write the amount of money in figures, we separate the rupees and paisa with the decimal. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount of rupees by 100. To convert paise into rupees, we divide the amount of paise by 100.
Hello students, welcome to e-learning class. Today we are going to learn chapter 50 paise. Right here, first question का answer हुआ. Now second question is how much money do they have together? दोनों को साथ में मिलाकर कितने रुपीस होते हैं? तो here we do addition. So Sonu has rupees 350 and 25 paise, and Manu has rupees 253 and 75 paise. Now add. Now 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, 1 carry on 2. Now 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. Put the point. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 5, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Put 0 here and 1 carry on 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So they have together rupees 600. So they have together rupees 600. Right. Now next. Now 15 liter of milk cost rupees 570 rupees and 50 paise. What does 1 liter milk cost? So here we use 15 liter milk cost and here we find 1 liter milk cost. Right? So first here we write milk. Right? And cost. So 15 liter milk cost is rupees 570 rupees and 50 paise. So here we find 1 liter milk cost. So 1, 2 rupees 557 and 50 paise divided with the 50. Right. Now, so rupees 570 and 50 paise divided with the 50. Right. Now we use the table of 15. Right. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, and 15 threes are 45. So 3 put at the quotient. 15 threes are 45. Now 5 separate from 1 not possible, so we can borrow from 5. Right. So here 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now bring down 7. Right. So here 67. So you know very well 15 fours are 60. Right. Now 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Yeah. 0, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here decimal point. So here decimal point means right now turn off paise. Now bring down 5. Now here 75. So 15 5 75. Now here 0. Right. Now bring down 0. So remember 15 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. His answer is rupees rupees and 25 paise per meter. Find the amount he spent. So here give you 1 meter cost, right? यहाँ पे आपको 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट दी है, वो है 55 रुपीज एंड 25 पैसे। ऐसे उसने 1 मीटर क्लोथ खरीदे, उसने टोटल कितने अमाउंट कितने पैसे दिए होंगे, तो यहाँ पर करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन, राइट? सो हियर यू राइट क्लोथ मीटर and its cost. So 1 meter cost is rupees 55 rupees and 25 paise, and here we find 8 meter cloth cost. So now 8 into rupees 55 rupees and 25 paise, right? So here we do multiplication. So 55 rupees and 25 paise multiplied with the 8.